Hi, my name is Anna. Today I want to tell you about a day that changed my life. It started like any normal day, but it ended in a way I will never forget. It was a Tuesday morning. The sun was bright, the birds were singing. I got out of bed, brushed my teeth, and got ready for school. I was 16 years old. School was just school for me. Sometimes boring, sometimes fun. But on that day, something special happened. At school, my teacher made an announcement. "There is a speech contest next week," she said. "Anyone can join. Just prepare a 5-minute speech." Everyone in class was quiet. No one wanted to join. Public speaking was scary, even for me. I didn't think I could do it. I was shy. I didn't like speaking in front of people. My hands would shake, my voice would get small. But then, something inside me said, "Why not try?" So I raised my hand. "I will try," I said. My friends looked surprised. "Are you sure?" one of them asked. I nodded, but inside I was nervous. That night, I sat at my desk. I thought, what should I talk about? After some time, I decided to talk about kindness. I wrote my speech. I practiced in front of the mirror. I practiced in front of my mom. Every night, I practiced for 1 hour. The day of the contest came. My heart was beating fast. I was the third speaker. I went on stage. The lights were bright. So many people were watching. My legs felt weak, but I took a deep breath and I began to speak. I said, "Kindness is a simple thing. A smile, a kind word, a small help. It can make someone's day better. It can even change a life." As I spoke, I started to feel strong. The words came from my heart. I looked at the audience. Some people smiled, some nodded. When I finished, there was silence. Then, claps. Loud claps. I walked off the stage, and my teacher hugged me. "You did amazing," she said. Later that day, they announced the winner. It was me. I couldn't believe it. I won. First place. That night, I looked in the mirror and smiled. Not because I won, but because I did something I was afraid of. I faced my fear. Since that day, I started speaking more. At school, in public, on YouTube. That one small choice changed my life. Sometimes we wait for big changes, but sometimes a small step is enough. One choice, one moment, it can open new doors. So my message to you is, don't be afraid to try. Even if you fail, you learn. Even if you're scared, be brave. That's my story. And that's the day that changed my life.